Hi there! I will show you how to make a newborn baby sweater, so let's get started. For this project you will need the patterns, which includes the front, back and the sleeves. The patterns you can find down below in the description. You will also need a fabric. I chose a tricot one. Pins, thread, fabric scissors, measuring tape, and of course a sewing machine. Fold the fabric and lay the pattern paper of the front piece on top of the fabric, pinned together. Repeat the same step for the back piece of the sweater. Repeat the same step again with the sleeves. If you have a fabric with a pattern, make sure that the pattern points the same direction on each piece of the fabric. With your fabric scissors, you cut the shapes. Make sure to leave 1 to 1.5 centimeters on the sides. Let's start with the sleeves. Remove the paper and fold the sleeves in half, with the good side of the fabric on the inside, and pin it together. Sew the sides of the sleeve with a simple straight stitch. Let's put the sleeves aside. We will continue with the front and the back piece of the sweater. Remove the paper and lay the pieces of the fabric on top of each other with the good sides of the fabric facing each other. Pin the sides together and sew them with a straight stitch. The next step is to attach the sleeves to the body. Turn the sleeves inside out and pin them to the body. Make sure that both the seams lie on top of each other. The next step is to finish up the edge. Measure the length of the edge and cut the symmetrical pieces with the same length. Lay them on top of each other, facing the right sides together, and sew the sides together. Fold the fabric in half, with the good sides on the outside, and make sure that the seam of the sweater aligns with the seam of the fabric, and pin it together. Sew all the way around. For the cuffs, you measure the end of the armholes. Cut a piece of fabric with the same length and sew the side. Fold the cuff in half with the good side on the outside. Pin the cuff to the sleeve, make sure that the seams align with each other. Sew both of the cuffs. The final step is the collar. Measure the hole, make sure it's not too small for the baby hat. Cut a piece of fabric with the same length. Sew the sides of the collar. the fabric in half, with the good side on the outside, and pin the collar to the shirt. Make sure you stretch the fabric enough so you can secure the collar with the pins all the way around. Sew all the way around and you're finished. If you would like to see more baby diary episodes, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.